We don't have a video camera that's easy to. We've got one with where you can hook up to a FireWire. Not a computer upstairs.
It's easier to transfer it.
Yeah.
Oh. Be careful when you. Like figure skaters. I think that's a figure skating lift. Oh no! Your pants are falling down. I see your undies. Let's do some warp, yeah. Let's do some warp, yeah.
Hi, my name's Brian Major. You're supposed to use script. Say, what do you guys know how to Madison?
Knock. Steve? Knock on his head.
Hello, McFly!
It's the plumber. I've come to fix the sink.
Okay, come on in.
Okay. Hi there.